Windows Global Support. How to fix hard drive disk 100% usage for all version of Windows. Method 1. Check your disk usage. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del and select Task Manager. Step 2. On the first tab, Processes, look for the disk column. If you're having problems with drive performance, this should be at 100%, and colored red to indicate whether you have a problem or not. Method 2. Disable Windows Search for improved disk performance. Step 1. To permanently disable Windows Search or indexing, press Windows plus R. Enter services.msc, and hit Enter. Step 2. In the Services window that opens, find the Windows Search entry, and double-click it to open the Windows Search Properties window. Under Startup Type, select Disabled. Click OK to save your changes. Call now to get rid of computer problems. Global Phone Support. 1-800-857-2133. Windows Global Support.